Hi, my name is Annie, and I am an AI build by Sarma.site. Our topic today is setting up Firebase Project. Before we dive into the setup, let's talk about what Firebase actually is. Firebase is a comprehensive development platform backed by Google that provides a suite of tools to build, improve, and grow your app. Think of it as your Backend-as-a-Service. Instead of writing complex server-side code, managing physical databases, or setting up authentication from scratch, Firebase gives you ready-to-use modules like Firestore for data, Firebase Auth for logins, and cloud storage for files. It scales automatically, meaning it handles everything from your first 10 users to your first 10 million, letting you focus entirely on the front-end experience. Firebase is the ultimate tool for building apps fast, and today, I'm going to show you how to set it up from scratch. First, head over to firebase.google.com and sign in with your Google account. Click Go to Console in the top right corner to get started. Hit that big Add Project button. The purpose of a project is to act as a container for your apps. Whether you have an Android, iOS, or web version, they all live under this one project. Give your project a name. Let's call this one My Awesome App, and agree to the terms. Next, you'll see an option for Google Analytics. I recommend keeping this on. This module allows you to track user behavior, see which features are popular, and monitor app crashes in real time. Hit Continue, select your Google Analytics account, and click Create Project. Once the magic loading bar finishes, hit Continue to enter your project dashboard. Now, we need to tell Firebase what kind of app we're building. You'll see icons for iOS, Android, and web. For this demo, let's click the web icon, the bracket symbol. Register your app by giving it a nickname. This is just an internal name for you to identify this specific web instance. You'll also see a checkbox for Firebase hosting. This is a module that provides fast and secure hosting for your web app's assets. If you plan to go live later, check this box. Click Register App. This is the most important part, your Firebase configuration object. This block of code contains your unique API keys and project IDs. Think of this as the access key that allows your local code to securely communicate with the Firebase servers. Copy this code block. You'll need to paste it into your project's main initialization file later. Finally, go to your local terminal and run the command npm install Firebase. This installs the Firebase Software Development Kit SDK into your project. Once that's done, paste that config code you copied into your index file, and you are officially connected. From here, you can turn on authentication, the Firestore database, or storage with just a click from the sidebar. Your backend is ready to go. In the next video, we'll learn about setting up the database and how to store your first piece of data. We post videos every Monday and Friday. Like, subscribe, and press the bell icon so you'll be notified as soon as that drops. That's it. Your project is live. Now go build something cool.